In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make indie pop music in Suno AI. We'll keep it simple and clear. First, we'll craft a focused style prompt using ChatGPT, then we'll generate original lyrics. And finally, we'll bring it all together inside Suno to create your track. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official website. Once you're in, use the message box to ask for a style prompt tailored for Suno. A good request sounds like this. Create a Suno AI style prompt for indie pop music. Include mood, BPM, vibe, and vocal style. Submit that and let the tool assemble a concise, descriptive prompt you can reuse. When the result appears, highlight the entire style prompt and copy it to your clipboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. Now switch over to Suno. From the main page, click Create to start a new track. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This gives Suno a clear creative direction, from overall feel to tempo and vocal character, which helps it generate something that sounds cohesive and on genre. Next, let's generate lyrics. Go back to your ChatGPT tab and write a request for original lyrics that match indie pop. For example, write original lyrics for an indie pop song about betrayal and trust issues, matching the genre. Submit your prompt and give it a moment to produce verses and a chorus. You can change the subject to any theme you prefer while keeping the indie pop tone consistent. Once the lyrics are ready, highlight all of them and copy them. Return to Suno and look for the lyrics field. Paste your lyrics there so the model can shape the melody and phrasing around your words. With both the style prompt and the lyrics in place, click Create. Now wait while Suno generates your music. This can take a little time, so be patient. As you listen to the result, remember a few quick tips for better outcomes next time. Keep your style prompt specific but not overly long. Mention mood, a rough BPM range, the vibe, and vocal style clearly. Make sure your lyrics have a chorus and verses so the structure is easy to set to music. And if something feels off, refine your prompts and try again. Small tweaks to mood, tempo, or vocal description can make a big difference. Enjoy creating your indie pop track with Suno AI.